Hi, I'm David Cardamone, I'm deaf. This is a public service announcement. I wear what I want to wear. I dress up for the world that I want to live in. I am not conforming to the world. I am not a conformist. I do not worry what other people think of me. I do not care what stupid people think of me. I am not living in fear of the crowd or in fear of what people may think because of whatever I wear. That is my statement and my rebellion against conformity. That I wear what I want to wear. If my skin is black, then it's black. Nobody should have to make a big deal over it in the wrong way. I wear what I wear. And so I don't live in fear of being judged or ostracized. I choose to be myself. I do not conform to the crowd. I choose not to dress up like a redneck or dress up like a tiny Michael Penis truck style. I choose not to be a prep or jock style. But it's not just about style and fashion. It's a philosophy and a way of life. I wear what I want to wear. I dress up for the world that I want to be in. That is my philosophy, to be the world that I want to be in. I dress up in a mod rocker, psychedelic rocker, techno producer, artist style. My medium expression in that world I want to be in. I'm a raver, an electronic musician, and I love psychedelic 60s and mod culture and Carnaby Street. Those are the worlds that I love and that I want to be in. So I dress up for that. And the art and music and the skin I make and the world I want to be in. And I try to create that scheme, so I dress up for it. So if you're freaking out because you see a raver dressed up with decor and you're asking them, what are you dressed up for? I mean, it's bewildering, but they're trying to live in the world that they want to be in. They're trying to change it. You're allowing the world to change you when you're conforming to the world. But instead, you should try to change the world. Rebelling against conformity. Rebelling against repression. By shouting, I'm free. I'm free to dress up what I want to wear. I am free and I have freedom to wear what I want to wear. I do not have to dress up tiny Michael Penis truck style to be accepted by a bunch of rednecks who are lowbrow, uncultured, and uneducated, and non-intellectual. I choose to be myself. I choose to change the world that I am in. I choose counterculturalism. I choose revolution. I choose peace and love. And I choose pussy. And I choose psychedelic medicine. And I choose martial arts. And I choose techno, psychedelic music, and mod pop. And that is who I am.